For G-click, learn G-tick. In the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power 50, sum of coefficients of odd powers of x is. Which of the following four options is right here? Here the trick is ax plus by whole to the power n. In this expansion, the sum of coefficients of all the terms is a plus b whole to the power n. So, in the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power 50, the sum of all the coefficients of all the terms is 1 plus 1 to the power 50. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to 1. So, it is 2 to the power 50, and we know the sum of the coefficients of odd powers in the expansion is half of the sum of coefficients of all the terms in the expansion. So, sum of coefficients of odd powers of x in the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power 50 is 2 to the power 50 by 2, that is 2 to the power 49. So, B is the right answer.